Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use the volume keys to turn on or turn off TalkBack on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Now before you can use this shortcut, you need to first turn it on. To do that, first let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Then tap on TalkBack. After that, tap on TalkBack shortcut. Now make sure you turn on the shortcut by tapping on the toggle button at the top to switch it on. Now we'll ask for your permission to have control of your phone. Tap on the allow button. Then tap on turn off. If you have one-handed mode switch on, we need to switch it off. Now after that, you need to turn on the press and hold volume up and down keys for 3 seconds to use this shortcut. If you would like to use the shortcut press side and volume up keys, then you can tap on it to switch it on, or you can switch it off. Okay, so once it is enabled, you can activate TalkBack by pressing on the side and the volume up key. Press on both keys simultaneously. So press like that.
Back on.
You can see TalkBack is now.
Shortcut. Navigate up button.
So you can see here with the volume up and the side key, you only need to press it briefly and then let go. So just press it once and let go. This will allow you to toggle the TalkBack mode between on and off.
TalkBack on, TalkBack off.
Okay, another method is to press and hold the volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. So here we press the volume up and volume down keys for 3 seconds. So you need to press and hold. So I'm going to press and hold now. So 1, 2, 3.
TalkBack on.
TalkBack is now switch on.
Keys.
If you want to switch it off, you hold onto the both volume keys for 3 seconds, you switch it off.
Tap to activate. TalkBack off.
And that's it. Now we have switched it off. Again, to use this feature, you have to go in here and turn on the TalkBack shortcuts for the volume keys. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.